Hey, what's up, guys? David G here with you. Thank you again for coming back, visiting me on my channel here, talking about affiliate marketing, how it is, what it does, get into more details, information as far as how we can make an online business online here. So, if you didn't check out my last video here, check it out. It's pretty much talking about how affiliate marketers work, how it all works in general, how we get paid, and the general process on it. So today we're going to get a little bit more into detail as far as what sales page we're going to use, the funnel that we're going to use, emails, so you can kind of start getting a little bit more comfortable on the whole process. So I'm going to show you, I'll talk about it a little bit, and then I'll show you some PowerPoint slides, some videos on my computer here as far as how to get it. The last video that we're going to show here, so stick with me, it's going to be where I kind of understood it. I was a little lost when I first started going at it, but once I saw this last one, it just kind of made sense. I don't know what it was. It just kind of like a light bulb just clicked in. So if you want to recap, there's pretty much like three stages on it, on how affiliate marketing works. The first one is you want to join up with a high affiliate paying affiliate program. So I'm with Legendary Marketer. We'll talk about that later towards the end, but you pretty much could pick as many companies as you want to promote. It's up to you. It's pretty much unlimited. So number two is going to be the sales funnel, like what sales funnel you're going to use, what software you're going to use to get the traffic from the internet, from social media over to your product page. And then number three is going to be the emails. So once you actually capture that person or that customer, grab their email, and then you're going to be automated. You're going to be coming back with them with emails, checking in to see how they're doing and stuff. So let's go check it out on my computer here to kind of show you a little bit more in detail.
Works. We're going to start up here on the top left hand corner with this building icon. This is going to be your affiliate program where you apply, where you register, and they will give you a special link that's only it's only towards you. So they know if you make a sale from this link, they know it's coming from you. So we'll use Jimmy, for example, like we did in the last video. So Jimmy got this link and we know it's coming from Jimmy. So you partner up with this high affiliate program. They give you a link. What you do is you grab that link and you create a sales funnel. So this is where ClickFunnels comes into play. So we're going to create a sales funnel so we know, and we can funnel all this traffic that we're going to get to where we want them to go. So this is where we're going to put the link on ClickFunnels. So this whole software, if you can kind of picture, we're going to put it on social media. We're going to be posting on social media, on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, pretty much everywhere where there's traffic, where there's people, okay? So from here, let's just back up a little bit. Let's go back. Let's say that we're going to partner up with Amazon, okay? Just for an example here, with Amazon, and we want to promote a lamp that we just saw, okay? It's like, cool, whatever. We're going to promote this. We're going to actually put this link in our sales funnel where we're going to create an opt-in page and a bridge page, okay? The bridge page is pretty much saying that it's a bridge going from the company to the product page, okay? So we're gonna actually put our opt-in page or our software on social media on our link. People are gonna come and see this. They're gonna be scrolling through Facebook. Cool, I like this lamp. I want to click on it. I want to look more about it. Once you actually click on them, this software or ClickFunnels is gonna funnel them. So you're gonna see all that traffic. It's gonna funnel them into where you want to take them. So obviously we want to take them directly to that product page so they can purchase it. Okay, but before we actually send them to the product page to buy this lamp, right before, we want to collect their email. Okay, this is very important on collecting an email. You have to establish and collect emails for you to grow and have a business long term in this. Okay, you could very much take them from your link directly to the product page. If they buy, that's cool, but we don't have an email to follow up with them later on. So you're going to collect their emails, and then after that, then send them to the product page. For example, this lamp, they're going to check out the lamp. Cool, I like it. I want to buy it. If they do buy it, obviously this is where we get paid. We get a piece of that sale or that commission. Okay, so this is kind of just a general picture on what or how we're doing. This is pretty much the picture or the illustration where it just suddenly just clicked in my head. A light bulb went off saying, I understand how this whole process works. So we're going to use TikTok, for example. So what you do is when you have that link from that affiliate program, you're going to post it or paste it on TikTok, right? People are going to see it. Hey, I like it, whatever. We want to buy this lamp. Once the customers click on that link, they're going to send you to an opt-in or a capture page. Right here is where we're going to capture our emails, okay? We're going to capture those emails after they put in their name and their information. They're going to send them over to a bridge page. You can kind of see this is a bridge from one side to the other side, correct? So pretty much here, we're going to say thank you for joining. Thank you for clicking in. We're going to send you over to the video sales letter or like the product page. So it's going to send it over from here. Then you're going to send it over to the video sales letter. And this is pretty much where they're going to purchase the item, okay? So let's just say, for example, a customer goes in and decides not to go and purchase the lamp, right? And he leaves. This is where the emails come in. So since you actually captured his email, you could actually retarget him and remind them, hey, remember that cool lamp that you saw a couple days ago or yesterday? How about you check it out? And gives you a better chance on him purchasing, making that sale. So this is a general area, a general picture on how affiliate works, how the sales funnel and ClickFunnels actually gets you from one side, for example, like the traffic on the internet, back to the product that you want to sell. So I don't know why, but this one just kind of blew my mind.
So that last picture was what kind of just threw me over and kind of just blew my mind. A light bulb just went off. It's like, I understand it now. I kind of get how this whole thing works. So if you're wanting to start affiliate marketing, want to get into it, the first thing that I strongly recommend is to doing the 15-day challenge with Legendary Marketer. That is a company that I'm actually affiliated with. I promote them. What they do is, that's a program that teaches you how to create your affiliate online business for the long term, the long run, as well as they also pay you commissions. So after your 15-day challenge, a lot of people that I've seen actually start to see results from that. So pretty much it's one of those where you learn while you earn kind of thing, or earn while you learn. So it's actually pretty cool. I'll leave a description on the bottom there so you can check it out if you're interested. I will be putting a video out as far as showing you the backside or a sneak peek on what the 15-day challenge consists of in the next coming days here. So just kind of look out for that. I really appreciate it if you guys subscribe, like this video. If you have any comments, let me know, reach out. I'm here to help you. So till then, we'll see you guys later.